Welcome guys again to my channel of Sahilthebestsuperhero. Like, share and subscribe to this video and full watch. This is the surprise video that I would have. Oh no, not again. Okay, this is the surprise video that I will tell you in final part. I will not get time to see the tab. Let's see today the tab. See, this is the outer plastic BYJU'S bag. Oh, again remove the plastic of in. So we will open it and the BYJU'S logo will see. Let's, oh no, open one more time the tie. This is the first page and I will open this four corners, you see, and this is second page. Let's, now you want to see now the tab place. So I am also excited because I also not opened for you and for this video, surprise video. So today I open finally this. So let's remove that. Hey, okay, like this, no? Oh, I will not see you. Okay. See this. So this is our tab. Finally, we will where BYJU'S Learning Kit journey video is come to final page, means to the tab. This is the tab of works. So you will think it's tab, but it's very small. It's small. It's a tab of Lenovo, not Samsung. I will bought 40,000 tab. Means the size was 7 inch. So this means from here. No, sorry. From here to 7. Let's convert the box. See this inch from this to the 7 is from there. I have 7 inch and the 50,000 we paid for the college courses like 11, 12, 10th inches 1 to 10.1 centimeter. It's very big like computer screen, but I will set to 40,000 tab. So let's open it and remove the BYJU'S box. Okay, so this is have some their qualities. It's thin, light, Android 7.0, multi-user accounts, Android technology. Soft Lenovo tab, 7 essential. So let's open it. So this they have sealed work already cutted from BYJU'S and one seal were not cutted. So they will cut it. I will open from here. They have also write this. Let's open it. It's have a drawer like. We pull it. Wow! We not believe that. The tab in my hand. Oh wow. It's good. I will not order the big tab because it's not my size. So this is already one more time plastic cover from BYJU'S, and this from the company of Lenovo. So see first the details. See this. It's the warranty and product packing list. This is the using content, which from the like this. Lenovo Tab 7 Essential, and one more, all languages. This is English and all languages information. And this is our charging wire, and this is the charge. Let's unbox this also. So you will see this. I will connect the charger. It's a normal charger of 5.0 volts. Normal, not fast charging, and it's wire medium. Okay. So, and this is the inner box of the tab. Let's see the tab. These documents were kept safe because the tab were. Let's see the tab. So this is the tab. The weight was medium, not so far, and we removed the. Oh no! One more removable plastic from BYJU'S. It will removed. Okay, one more cutter I want from Magic Hands. Okay, it will unboxed. So let's switch on it first. First I will remove this, the memory. See this? It's have already included the memory. See this? When you push it, they will come out. Okay, and we move one time to open it. Let's on the BYJU'S tab. So this is the buttons. This is the volume button. This is the on-off button. It's like speaker, and it's have a selfie speaker, and have this tab have no flashlight, only camera included. No buttons here, only screen buttons. So let's switch on it. See this? It's on. You know. See this? It's the music. So see this, preparing SanDisk, SD card, checking for Androids. So it again. So let's open it. Okay, see this. This is the tab. Includes Google, and it's the information of Lenovo tab. And this is the apps, Google Play Store. This is our main BYJU'S Premium Chrome contacts. It have contacts, but one problem is here. My SIM card will not inside this. The SIM card is not in this. These are totally fitted. Only we insert the memory card in this. So this is the tab. I will see my BYJU'S Premium to you. See, the application also comes in notifications. So this mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology. Parent connect, Sahil. Mathematics. So this is like the journeys. This is so these are, and it have two parts. We go back. We want exam videos, so you watch any video from here. Okay, so this is the information of tablet. So let's order you also and learn. Okay, my all part is ended here. Our unboxing journey were completed finally. So I will this all are kept in this again. This video I will not what. So thank you for watching this video, surprise video, and all parts are finished and surprise video is also finished. Please subscribe Sahilthebestsuperhero channel, like, share, comment to my videos, and the unboxing by this journey was over here. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you. And thank you BYJU'S, the learning app too. For my study, you give this. Bye.